All right, part C asks, perfect complements are goods that are always consumed together in fixed proportions, like right shoes and left shoes. Having an extra left shoe does me no good, but I'd rather have more pairs of shoes than less. I'm indifferent between having 2 right shoes and 2 left shoes. Here, I've drawn a little picture. So here's me with 2 right shoes and 2 left shoes. Here. 3 right shoes and how many left shoes? So here's me with 3 right shoes. Right shoe, and a right shoe. Whoa. But to be indifferent between these 2 bundles, how many left shoes would I need? I would need 2, right? Because I'm happier when I get more pairs of shoes. So if I had 3 pairs, if I had 3 left shoes, that would give me 3 pairs, which would make me happier than this first bundle. So to be indifferent, I need to have 2 pairs. So if I have 3 right shoes, I would need 2 left shoes. And then how many, so in this one, I have how many right shoes and 2 left shoes? If I have 2 left shoes, I'm sorry, this should be 3. This doesn't make sense because that's the problem that we just solved. So if we have 3 left shoes, how many pairs of right shoes would we need to be indifferent between all of these bundles? And we would need only 2 pairs. So we should look for 2 right shoes in that blank. So 2. Sketch my indifference curves for right and left shoes. What letter of the alphabet does the shape of this indifference curve remind you of? So let's sketch the indifference curve that we were just talking about here with right and left shoes. I'll have right shoes here and left shoes here. Should be shoes. I'm indifferent between having 2 right and 2 left. So 1, 2, 1, 2, right here. And then 3 right and 2 left. 1, 2, 3 here. And then 2 right and 3 left. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna connect these lines, and it'll be like this. And actually, let's think about what happens over here. If I only have 2 left shoes, does it help me to get 4, 5, 6 right shoes? No, I still have only 2 pairs of left shoes. So I'm indifferent all the way out here. I can gain more and more right shoes. I'm still indifferent because I still only have 2 pairs of shoes. Versus up here, say I only have 2 right shoes. I'm indifferent between getting more and more and more left shoes because I still only have 2 pairs. And then consider down here. What would an indifference curve look like down here? Here's me with 1 pair of shoes, 1 right and 1 left. I can keep on getting more left and I'm still indifferent. I can keep on getting more right-hand ones and I'm still indifferent. I'm not happier until I get more of both. So indifference curves for perfect complements look like the letter L. That's what I'm looking for there. Pretty cool. Okay, let's move on to the next question. I think I want this color. All right, the last question says, bads are commodities that the consumer doesn't like. If I love fruit but hate fruit flies, suppose I'm indifferent between getting an extra piece of fruit given it has a fly on it. So I'm indifferent between having 3 fruit and 3 flies, and 4 fruit and how many flies? Well, I just said I'm okay with getting an extra piece of fruit if it has a fly on it. So I'm getting an extra piece of fruit here, which I like, and I'm okay if it has if it comes with an extra fly. So that would be 4 fruit and 4 flies. I'd rather have less flies, but I'd accept a fly if it comes with a piece of fruit. And then I'm indifferent between having 3 fruit and 1 fly, and 4 fruit. And again, this is me gaining a fruit, so I'd be okay to gain a fly. So that would be 2 flies there. Sketch my indifference curves for the fruit and flies. What's different about indifference curves for bats? So got to be really careful here. I'm going to draw fruit on the x-axis and flies on the y-axis. I'm indifferent between having 1, 2, 3 fruit and 1, 2, 3 flies here. And then having an extra fruit and gaining an extra fly. I'm indifferent here. And connecting these 2 points, I'd be indifferent all along that curve. Right, that's me going up and down, giving up fruit to give up a fly, or gaining a fruit to gain a fly. I'd be happier, however, if I had more fruit with less flies. So let's go over here, plot these. If I have 1, 2, 3 fruit and 1 fly, I'm here. And I'd be indifferent between that bundle and having 4 fruit and 1, 2 flies. I guess right around here. So that's another indifference curve like that, and should be parallel. Slope of 1 either way. So yeah, what's different about indifference curves for bats? For goods, our indifference curves looked like this, right? When the variable over here is the number of bads that we have, our indifference curve slope the opposite direction. So that's kind of what's interesting about that.